welcome back to my channel. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay mag-knead ng dough. So, let's go! So, bago tayo mag-knead ng dough, kailangan muna natin gumawa ng dough. So, naglagay ako dyan ng 2 cups of flour and 1 tablespoon of yeast. So, pagkatapos natin halu-haluin, naglagay din ako dyan ng oil sa ibabaw. So, hintayin natin siyang umalsa. And then, naglagay din ako ng clean wrap para mas maganda yung pag-alsa niya mamaya. The purpose of kneading any dough is to develop gluten and incorporate microbubbles into the mass of the dough, which will inflate during proofing and baking. The more a dough is kneaded, the tighter and more regular a baked loaf crumb will become. Kneading means to work the dough, usually by hand, for the purpose of developing the glutens in the flour, which is what gives baked goods their structure and texture. So that's all. Thank you.